Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to part 2 of this video series. We have previously created a Google drawing in Google Drawing, and we have pasted it into a Google Doc. There's the Google Doc. And now we need to figure out how in the world do we get this into an assignment. In this case, it happens to be the assignment you're working on, the supply and demand FRQ. Now, this is an older version of the course. This video that you'll see here looks a little different than the one does now, and so do the point totals, but the assignment is essentially the same. Watch a video on how to create a drawing, and then this prompt. As summer begins, strawberries ripen and saturate the market. Draw a correctly labeled supply and demand graph in Google Drawing, show what has happened in this market. Now, your directions will be a little different, but it's how you submit it that I want you to see. So let's say you know what the answer is. You'll go to and you've drawn your graph, of course, in Google Drawing, and you've pasted it into Google Doc already, and then we're going to add the submission. So we go into this document, and we have an online text box right here. Now, what I want to do is answer that question. Now, this is not the correct answer, but if I were to type in, when strawberries saturate the market, and then you have to decide, is it a supply shift? Is it a demand shift? This is what happens in the graph. Now, I believe all I have to do is go to this untitled document, click on it, hit copy, and I'm going to go to the assignment, paste it. Oh my goodness, look what's there. We have a completed graph. By the way, helpful hint, this is not the correct answer to the graph, but it's done, and now I can save the changes, and the assignment should be absolutely complete. Now, to verify this, I'll pause the video for a second. I'll go to my window, the teacher graded window, to see if it showed up. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Here's the assignment. Here's what I see when I grade it. I see one assignment needs to be graded. I'll click on this to view all grade submissions. And we'll just wait for it to pull up. I'm going to click here. Oh, that is the wrong one. That is not what I wanted. So I have to go back. And hold on just a second. It took me a few minutes to figure out the problem, but it seemed just like seconds to you. When I go to grade a student's assignment, this is what I see. Submitted for grading, hasn't been graded yet. Student can't enter it, and look what we have here, exactly what I typed in. When strawberries saturate the market, this is what happens on the graph. So by creating a graph in Google Drawing, using the clipboard function to paste it into a Google Doc, and then just copying the diagram in Google Doc, you can paste it directly into your submission box for the assignment. So it should be as simple as that. Just make sure that you go ahead and practice this. Practice it often whenever you get a chance in Google Drawing, and so you can do it quickly in the case of a timed free response question. This particular question gets 1 point for drawing the graph accurately, for the price, quantity, all the labels. It's going to miss points because in this particular thing, supply is not shifting to the left. So you have to figure it out which it happens. Does supply go right, demand go left? Draw the graph and put it all on here. Good luck. Feel free to review these videos at any time.